In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create a Wix coming soon page. So this will work on the Wix editor. So first go to editor.wix, log into your account, and you'll be on the classic editor of your Wix store. Then you want to go to pages and then hit add page. There we go, and then you can find for a custom theme or a pre-made page, but you can also select blank, but we can actually look for one if I find a good one, but now we just do a blank one. That will do it. And then as you can see, it's blank. You want to change the page name to coming soon, and then hit done. Then we can go ahead and change this to set as homepage. Now everyone who launches or goes to our website, they will be redirected to this page, which says some coming soon. So now we want to customize this page. We can go to add, then go to text and drag in this text and make sure it looks good. I'm just doing the basic stuff. Then type in this website is under main, or is coming soon. That's better. Is coming soon. And then you can obviously put some more text under it to make it clear for the customers or for visitors from your website. But this is the easiest way how you can set it up. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.